Use multiple accounts on Threads. First, make sure you're logged into the Instagram account you want to add. Remember, Threads is directly linked with Instagram, so this step is important. Now, open the Threads app. At the bottom, tap on the profile icon. Then, in the top right corner, tap the menu icon. From here, select Switch Profiles and then tap Add Profile. You'll now see a list of Instagram accounts you're already logged into. Just pick the account you want to connect with Threads. If that account hasn't been set up on Threads before, no worries. Just follow the prompts, choose the account type, and complete the quick setup. Once your accounts are linked, switching is super easy. Tap the profile icon again in the top right, open the menu, and tap Switch Profiles. Select the account you want and you'll instantly switch over. And here's a shortcut. Just double tap on your profile picture to quickly jump between accounts. And that's it. You can now manage multiple Threads accounts. Follow and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.